brings you fast internet access. ORICO, aluminum multifunction. Ethernet access at your will. Designed for Ultrabook, MacBook, tablets, and the like. Excellent usage experience. Faster than ever. USB 3.0 plus gigabyte speeds. Lower heat dissipation. Imported controller built in with ARH3L technology. Adapts to many different situations. Expanded 3 USB ports, satisfying your need for interfaces. Integrated with reversible USB Type-C plug, convenient to plug and unplug. Special design integrated to enable gadgets to stay steady with device. ORICO, leading technology.